Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to reactivate Prizepicks account. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your browser, and then on the search bar simply type in prizepicks.com, and once you do that you'll be landing in the Prizepicks homepage. Will look something like this, and once you do that, here in order to reactivate your account, what you need to do is simply click on this login button right here, and once you click on that, you'll be sent to your login page. Now on the login page you'll see this forget password button right here, and once you click on this forget password, it will lead you to the password request page right here. Now all you gotta do here is type in your email, and once you type in your email and then tap on this send instructions button, then the instructions will be sent to your page, sent to your email, and all you gotta do is follow the instructions in order to successfully reactivate your Prizepicks account. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.